Hello everyone, today we are in Chamonix, France, and we're going to visit the Mer de Glace glacier. The Mer de Glace can be reached via the Montenvers railway, found near the town center. The glacier cave is open year-round, and a round-trip ticket for an adult costs about €35. You can buy a ticket around the corner at the side of the building. We actually bought our ticket online while waiting in line. When we got there, there was a huge line, and after waiting for about 10 minutes and getting our COVID passes checked, we were one of the last ones to make it on. If you get a seat on the left side of the train, the views are amazing on the way up. We had to wear masks, but other than that, the train was operating at full capacity, with trains leaving every 20 to 30 minutes. Once you get to the glacier stop, you have some amazing views of the Mer de Glace, and this is likely the spot where our photo is taken. When you're ready, you take a cable car down to the stairs. About 6 people can fit into a car, so the line can be pretty slow. Once you get to the bottom, there are still a lot of stairs until you reach the glacier. As you go down, you'll see plaques showing the height of the glacier at certain years. In 1988, for example, there were only 3 stairs to reach the entrance to the caves. Today, there are 370 stairs. This is a tourist attraction where you can see the effects of climate change and global warming. The glacier is retreating and continues to retreat 4 to 5 meters every year. Once you get down to the cave, there are some photo opportunities like an ice throne and a couch, a fireplace, and an ice bar. There are also info panels along the walls describing the glacier and the changes it's seen over time. It was pretty crowded, but we were there at the end of the day and we were able to get some footage that made it look like we were almost alone. In reality, there were quite a lot of people here.
That was a lot of stairs.
The website advertises that the last train to leave for Chamonix is 4:30, but at least for us, we caught the train back at 5:30. It was very full and a little bit chaotic, but the views back were beautiful at sunset. Visiting the Mer de Glace in Chamonix was definitely a highlight. I'd recommend it if you have the chance because someday you might not. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!
And the truth may come as a